Hey, let go of him.
Yo, what did you figure out?
Absolutely nothing.
All right.
I'm cold.
How long you been waiting for me?
About a half hour.
Shit. So nothing here.
There's no power there.
I think we gotta cut the connector and just hot wire that.
I already cut the wires back. There's no power back there either.
And there's power at the switch?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Could the switch be bad? Is that a thing?
Is there power through the switch? Do we know if the switch,
no, I don't think so.
On
I was getting really. I didn't have enough hands to fucking hold the ground and try to thing.
I was doing that worked really well is I would hold the voltmeter and the terminal on the ground, and then I'd touch what I needed to.
Well, I need a light.
Yeah.
And I'm upside down.
Yeah.
So I didn't have enough.
No,
hands.
I wasn't saying.
Yeah.
I found that to work really well though, because I was struggling, and I'm like, and I'm trying to balance it here, and then the car's running, so it's like, and I'm trying to catch it.
Yeah, that's what mine has it set up to do that. I could put the terminal on the thing.
Oh.
There's a clip in the back of it.
Ah. No shit. I wasn't the first one to think of that.
No.
I came up with it on my own though, so fuck them. They should be paying me. I guess we'll check the switch. We'll see if there's power through it.
Yeah, now that there's more hands here, so.
Yeah,
It feels like 8 right now.
Yeah, like when I got out of work, it was wicked cold. Do you remember where we put the plug for the gauge cluster? It's probably just tucked up in there somewhere. Do you think we should de-pin the wires, or just cut them and leave enough to re-pin if we ever had to? I mean, not that we're ever gonna run a gauge cluster. We might as well just cut them wherever.
I don't know which wires we need. I don't know which ones we need though.
I have the diagram saved. I think.
Oh yeah, for the high wire.
For the yeah.
Wind's fucking blow through here. Like, holy.
Yo, I was driving the car back and forth in the driveway, and it the steering column locked.
Yeah, I think we've done that once before.
And I was like, ah! Because then I was just slightly curved, so I was like, I was moving a little bit, but I found the key.
So I got the little arms.
You've got worms?
Yes.
Wormies?
Power, right?
Power?
Yeah.
12.5, 12.2.
I need my legs up in here.
That's Bree's job. Oh my god.
Oh, that's much more comfortable. What do you got now?
Oh, I can't see it.
What?
0. 12.2.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Ah.
Yeah, 12.2. So it is getting power through the switch?
Yeah. I think I had these fucking switched. I think somehow I'm powering something else.
Oh.
This is the danger one. Oh, about to touch.
Danger.
This one has power. This one should be the one on the bottom.
Nothing.
Okay, that one's got the power.
I got the power. That's one that would be saying, you know.
No.
I saw a light in your
It's
pocket.
like the most flame I've ever had out of this thing.
Yeah, it's fucking cranking.
It's gonna charge just about everything.
Maybe it'll make it work again.
I think I just had cold propane this whole time. I thought this thing was junk. I'm like, this thing don't even fucking work. Who knew if you just warm your propane?
Are you supposed to warm your propane? Looks like that shit.
To hold these two together.
I'm busy.
So what? How are we losing power somewhere? I really hate the fucking. I'm going to cut all the zip ties on the wiring harness. Find which wire goes. Find if it's the right one. Which one has power again? The little one, right?
I don't know. Oh shit, this is bent.
I think this is the wrong wire. I don't think this is the correct wire. Something's not right. This is a thick wire. It's not a thick wire outside. So I'm thinking that maybe somehow this one might. Is there a random wire up here? Other than that one. This one is just a jumper.
The big one. I just kind of plugged one in when I was under there the other day. The loose one that's on the top of heat.
Yeah. Let's see what happens.
I just kind of threw that fucker in there.
Put that one here. Maybe we just fucked up something.
Just taking the switches apart and putting them back together. That thing is still out of the connector though, right?
Let's just double check we got power running through it again.
Power.
Why does sometimes it not read? I don't get it. Like right now,
I was messing with the ground that time. Now I got it again.
like I have no power going through the switch. It's firm on fucking metal, like no question about it.
There's power on one end and not the other.
Yeah, right, because this should have power. Incorrect. So is it this one that has power? Yes.
What? Oh, wrong power.
We should have fucking color coded these. I was thinking about it today. Why do we do all fucking red?
I mean, we can just put like a piece of tape and write on Sharpie. Just put a letter. HF. FU.
So no power. No power. Gotta go somewhere else. This
Probably
should
the
have
fan
power.
or the heat.
What the fuck? I'm really annoyed. Are these just cheap ass fucking switches?
Is it switched on power or no? No, it's just
No, because you just watched me. I just touched it.
yeah,
It had
that's
power.
true.
But now I have no power now.
Now that it's on the
Yeah,
switch,
it's on the switch.
that doesn't make sense.
Which one has power? This one should have power. 0.8 volts. But when you flick it on, it goes to 14. Oh, now it went to 11. 11.6. I really don't know what's going on. I'm at a loss. So you pull this one off again. Has power. Because we held them both together, I had so many no power in there. So this is the big thick ass wire. I don't know what that one was.
You need a ground there?
Oh wait. Huh?
So what the heck
I
is
took the power
extra?
wire out. Two of these should be power.
Oh,
on the other
that's
side.
where I had it before. Touching
Yes. So now I got ground. Okay.
that.
I got power. And I got power. So these two are power wires. That one is not a power wire. These both have power to them.
Isn't that a power? Didn't you just hook up power?
That one.
Oh no, the other one. You plugged in the wrong one. It's that one.
It's the big one.
No, well, either the big one
yeah,
or the one
or
with the
the little one.
connection. Alright, now we're cooking.
This one. The one that has power.
So that should be for the fan.
Yeah.
That's the other fan one. So if I hold those, you should have power out there. Right?
Yeah, but it don't.
Did we actually try that though?
Yeah, you did it once, I think, but you can try it again.
Shit.
Make sure they're actually touching.
Yeah. Alright. Alright.
I must have just. Oh well. Hey, let go of them.
Alright, so we just had all the wires fucked up.
Yeah.
Or I should say, messed up. I guess I could try to start looking for the ignition plug, see if it matches the diagram. Or ignition. Golly.
Did that turn on? I couldn't hear.
Yeah.
Okay.
You could click. You're good. Oh, it's right there. Cool. I'm pretty sure it's this one.
Holy shit, there's a G and an SW.
You think we got them alright?
I read the instructions before we looked at it. The only problem is I didn't know what to tell because
They're very sheet,
well, one's just a ground.
but they're both red and they're very sheet.